Welcome back, guys. Well, we are on the other valve cover, and if you want to see something really messed up, this is how bad they were. Do you see that? I only have the bulk of the gasket off. That side's a little bowed, nothing too major. And on a line here, that one's not real bad. That's a little bit. That one's got a nice little divot in it. We're definitely not 100% straight on this one. You can see how that's bowed down at the bottom. So a little bit of tapping, fix the metal, do a gentle scrape, wire wheel all the old excess gasket off, and we will be good to go for Bobby to do painting. What do we say, Barnesy?
Oh, heck yeah!